So, do you like what you got?
I've not had a chance to open it.
I'm telling you right now, guys, the person who served me, I felt so sorry for her because you can honestly, she was sweating and everything. She was like, and she looked so annoyed. Well, not annoyed, but
Grumpy.
no.
No, well, I've lost it.
There's only 2 of them in there.
There's a third one just went in. She looks
I know.
grumpy. We'll have the door open, but you came out the other way.
I know. No, but I felt so sorry for Gemma, that person who served me. Like, there's only 2 of them in there, and she's got like 3 people to serve at once.
What's no be a brown sauce for? Brown sauce is standard.
Sorry. And see that guy there sitting on that bench there, Dad? See that guy there?
On the seat.
Yeah. He has like literally Costa, Starbucks, and I think muffin break cards in his like phone. Good points.
That might be his thing. He cycles through different places.
Oh, I will say before we start, I got a cookies and cream grande because that's what the medium is called. After I got you, what did you get there?
No, caramel latte.
And then I got me a nice bacon roll, and Dad got a bacon roll and sausage roll. We're making the most out of the day whilst Mum's at home being sick.
That's the burger from workers arriving.
Well, yeah, they don't open up until like 11, and that's because no, 10 or 11. No, because that's what KFC said. KFC didn't open until like 11, so I'm like, oh, that's fine. I'm not going to go there until like 1ish.
1ish? It's like a couple of hours. Where's KFC? Oh, the other thing.
That's the only thing they have here is Sainsbury's, Greg's. I thought Greg's was all in one shop. But I was on a shop of its own, but no, it's Smith Sainsbury's. Oh, look at that! A spider.
Yeah.
I like how just casually just crawling up like what makes. Rugby match, no football match.
Football match, yeah.
So early. Only group of 6, please. 3 versus 3.
There's quite a crowd up there, isn't there? Yeah.
It looks like it's under 16s sort of thing going on.
That'd be the full range. Under 16s, 15s, 14s already. I think they're under 16s, under 15s.
No, smaller, no, younger than that. Even though I'm looking at it from here, that yeah, they're young. They're like proper. They're not my age.
That looks like a tour they like.
Might as well come up to the end of the season, isn't it? Did you know that? If something goes wrong, they're gonna finish off they're gonna end the whole season.
They would have done that last time.
Okay. I like how they give you knives when you're not even gonna use them.
Maybe you're very maybe a bit pure red. Well, putting sauce on.
You know what they call this right now? A mukbang.
What?
They call this what we're doing right now a mukbang. Basically what you do is you buy loads of food, you sit down, and you just have conversations with your friends or anything like that, or have like discussions.
Right.
That's what we're basically doing.
Yeah.
I mean, so far, if I speed up all my long like workouts, my what I eat in a week video is only.
What are you videoing all this for?
Cause I'm telling them about stuff, and also this could be like a little. Also, this could be like a separate video of a mukbang.
Sauce.
I get why they gave me weird looks though. It's cause I didn't notice. No, I thought that I looked, but for some reason my eyes didn't notice the sign.
Oh, that says way out. That says way out.
I love that. We're operating in a one-way basis, unlike me. But just picture that me just going like full circles, in and out like. Oh, is she meeting up with her boyfriend or something like that? Oh my god, it's such a hectic week right now. No. I just broke a nail.
Shut up. She did something at football. That's why I went and phoned up the motorbike shop. To find out if there was any, if I had to book to go and see the bike.
Wait, is that the one in Carlisle?
No, Kendall.
I'm going now. She's right now angry at the fact how her boyfriend just went, do you mind just going and getting me like a Fenty milk as well?
I've got a boyfriend, so yeah.
A friend. Definitely chav though. The bronzer is massively on there.
This is where you're so wrong, but people just aren't there.
Well, honestly, some girls, they were like, oh my god, you do your makeup so well. I look at it, and it's like, my god, you haven't blended in your browser. Or they're wearing foundation that's not even their skin.
About 12.
Yeah, she has much to learn, but literally, you see most people and the foundation doesn't even match their skin. It's because all their big tans won't stop, or they got the wrong one.
It took your mum until she was 45 to know that.
And that's the thing me until like, cause I never used to wear bronzer until I went to Boots. And they kind of showed me, I was like, oh. It's cause remember we went to a cruise ship and all that with our friends. We went there, my powder broke, so I had to use bronzer as my foundation, and I get why in every photo I look darker.
What cruise is that?
The one where I met my Welsh boyfriend. Well, Welsh ex-boyfriend. Oh. Yeah, the one which
the long distance phone call. Essentially.
Yeah.
Essentially, a long distance phone call.
Oh no, it came on. I need to try and like put this on without. Hopefully our voices can like, power the music because I don't want any copyrights. Honestly, copyrights, it's like they have this like system thing where you can like take it out, but it takes forever. And so I'm like, oh fine, I'll go and edit it all over again, and then I'll take it out, and then I'll put it into the processing thing, and it takes forever to upload. So yeah. This is good. Well guys, I have done this like small mukbang sort of thing. I'll probably do like a better one next time. But yeah.
What, this afternoon when you do it?
Yeah, when I get KFC, Jojo's, because that's what you normally do in mukbang, you just get like takeouts of different types. We're not going into the drive-thru now, you look like you're not going there.
No,
go from one place to another.
I'm going round the circle. I don't think the drive-thru is ready yet.
1954, what do you mean? Like, all the soldiers after the war went there.
What war are you talking about?
The fake war called still in process of getting over the Second War.
No.
A lot of people on bikes.
Going to Greg's.
Ambulance is also going to Greg's.
Sunday's always a cyclist day.
Are they preparing for a Tour de France? Because I'm telling you right now, Tour de France has already started or it's already ended.
No, Tour de France is finished yesterday. I'll tell you what though.
What?
That qualified for a decent breakfast, that.
It did. It really did. Like, I mean, I've still got 2 M&M cookies at home. A small, the small box of like Pringles. Oh, going past my school. See you on Tuesday. College. See you on Tuesday. I said to myself, if I throw up, it's fine. I've got a full day of recovery tomorrow.
If not, you're going to be finding yourself something to do tomorrow. Keep yourself motivated.
I will. I'll be doing some of my task things that I need to do on the home thing. Even though they said don't do it, I'm going to do it anyway because I'm that sort of person who does the work anyway. And probably they will give me that as my homework. And I'm like,
see, by just saying it doesn't happen. You have to actually do it.
I do it. I've already done one of the worksheets that they gave out.
Because you got to remember. I remember your mock exams when you said you'd done it, and it turned out you obviously hadn't.
Yeah, but this time it's more different because I actually
want to do it.
Yes, because for some reason college makes me want to
do stuff. Good.
Yes, it makes me want to be like that bookworm. Because literally at lunchtime I don't talk to anyone. I study. I literally get my book out. I go into the website and I study. I'm like that weird bookworm now.
That's good.
You know, I've actually walked the full well, so far. Again, here and now, I've walked all the way up there, right round, all the way up to Hamilton. But I don't know how long would you say that sort of that pathway walk is? So honestly, it's long. But even I didn't do it all in one. I did it all in different times. But honestly, if I'd done that in
I've walked from here to the Isle of Man, but I've done it all at different times and not on a road. And I've done it somewhere else.
Wow! I walked from our hotel in Ibiza all the way to practically the city.
No, you did. You walked to Ibiza town, not a city, town.
Town.
Is that right? There isn't any. There's no cities in Ibiza. They're just towns.
Might as well call it.
Well, there are cathedrals, but there's a different way they set it up. To me, I think I just count Ibiza altogether as just a big, massive city on an island. That's what I call it. Gordon said, when I spoke to Gordon last night, but the last time we were there, and I said to him, he says, I'd go back there. I said, so would I? I said, Liz, I said you wouldn't go back. I said, I said, it's just lovely. I said, yeah, a lot of things were shut, you know, but the things that were shut were the things that we wouldn't really go to. You know, we might go to the odd club.
I would.
Yeah, but it's not like.
But I liked it. It was much more calmer, and even though the weather was mild some days, be a tiny bit hot but a tiny bit cold. But honestly, that was my perfect weather. So that means I won't get burnt.
Yeah.
So I never got burnt. I was sore. I was like, yes. Oh, was that the people from Greg's? Oh no, they caught us from Greg's. Go! Yeah.
Well, I'm just checking the road was open, so now I know the road's open.
What? You know, I was saying this to Mum. Wait, did I talk to you about it? I was going to talk to Mum about it. No, I think I talked to Mum about it.
You have to actually say what it was to understand what it is.
I was telling Mum how they should build a bridge from here to there. No, you in the car as well.
I told you that I'd already thought about it.
Dump is pretty
That's full like.
No, this reminds me of when I was doing my moped trial, and there was this wood in the middle of here. So he must have jumped out somebody's van or something. And I was driving my moped, but because all cars were parked up.
That boy might get thrown out because he's got a trailer there. Because I'm not allowed to take trailers on.
Well, the thing is, all those cars were parked up something like that. Oh, even there, graceful.
Greg's just filled out, yeah.
Still, all the cars were parked up or something, and I was so scared just in case I might have fell into this lane here as the car's driving past, and I was trapping myself. And mostly because there was a wood in the middle of where I was going, so I was going, oh, please.
I'm not going to get it just now, but you know what I'm going to get? I'm going to get a leaf hoover thing to get back. I've got one of that big industrial type one that throws dust everywhere. But I want to get one, a battery operated one, just for doing the pathways. Because the pathways, they need cleaned up, and it's for you to go and unravel all the wiring and plug it all in and then get yourself covered in dust. You have to shower every time you use the bleeding thing because it just gets in a bloody mess.
Yeah.
I thought, may as well just get a smaller one
and it's like a path over.
Yeah. I mean, I always saw them around school. I thought you could hear the music, something. But the thing is, I always saw them around school, but it just blows everything.
That's a blow up. It does both.
Also, me and Mum walking dogs yesterday, you know, around about 9-10ish, so still morning time for some people because it's a Saturday. This guy is cutting his hedge massively loud, and I'm there going, mate, there are people around here about to file a sound complaint because I bet they're still sleeping, and you're about to get this done to you. So it's like So if I ever buy a place and I have a hedge, I'm doing my cutting in the afternoon when I know that everybody's awake and nobody will get angry at me, except our next door neighbours. Oh my god, they have sometimes done it in the morning time, and I'm going, so sleep.
It depends on when it's done and when they can fit in time and how the weather is. As the weather's changeable, so you think to yourself, right, I'm going to go quick. It just seems quite busy in there.
Are people actually staying here? I don't know what's so big about our town.
I think the hotel's up and running.
No, I mean, I have seen a couple of at the window you can see like somebody's like put a mirror there or something.
Yeah, I think the hotel's up and running. Costa's not up and running, is it? The drive-through Costa.
Yeah, I can tell that. But the thing is, what is so special about our town that makes people want to come here?
Nothing. This is pretty much just the people that live here that are here.
Yeah, I don't. The only thing that's special, I think, is when we have floods and we have potential falling down bridges.
That doesn't make us special.
That just makes us dangerous.
That just makes it not nice.
Hazards.
They've got. I mean, the stuff they've done.
What about how we have some murder?
The stuff they've done lately is fine. It's good.
Or when like, you know, people make jokes about those clown things.
No, people come here. People come here anyway because company is nice. I mean, what kittens
we have nice walking paths.
It's a nice place to like wander, right? And you've got the odd few dates and that kind of thing. But it's like any town. It's like any town.
I will say right now.
I'd say it's a stand-up town.
I will say right now, I think, because I normally say that, I think we're more of like a dog town. I don't know why, but I'm just thinking of it right now because I see more people and dogs.
That's because we're in the outskirts and people walk their dogs in the outskirts. It's not because we're a dog town. Jeez.
Oh, I mean, I was talking to my tutor about this, and he was like, I like dogs better than cats because a dog, if you lose your job, they'll be they will still love you, whereas a cat, if you lose the job, they will just mock you and start going, how am I going to get my food now? How am I going to do this?
You know, cats don't. He knows that as well. You know, cats don't talk. He must be. You know, obviously.
No, Mike's not like that.
Keith,
no, it's Mike. He's my cat teacher, and he was saying how he likes dogs. I was like, well, I get why if you live. I mean, also at the same time, cats walk on their long lunges and don't come back for 2 days, and if they don't come back you just think, oh well. Whereas a dog, it will stay with you, and a cat just it's like the second you bite it, the second you're like, well that's death coming soon for us, well for the cat.
Sometimes I just think,
because with Gizmo, I hardly saw Gizmo. The only time I saw Gizmo was when I used to push. Well, this is because I'm young, I'm a kid, and I need something to play with. I pushed him down my slide.
Gizmo was an ornament by the end.
Well, it was
21-year-old. He was my best friend for a long time.
No, he was best friend.
He was my best friend for a long time.
Wallace, you've been replaced.
Wallace was my best friend.
Well, yeah, because you had a strong bond with Wallace. Yeah? You jumped into a river to save him?
I did. And if I didn't save him, your mother was getting thrown in right afterwards.
Yeah. Yeet.
She was the one that let him go in when the river was in full speed.
Oh, yeah, that was great. Oh. That's when I wanted to jump in.
No, you didn't. You weren't there with us.
Oh, was I not? Was it on a different day? It must have been on a different day.
Myself and your granddad had went down because your mother was panicking because my dog was lost. And when I got in through the undergrowth, I found my dog clinging on for dear life to a branch. So
We were talking about this on Friday.
So I hung out over holding on to a branch, and eventually got through and picked my very, very frightened Labrador out of the water. And then put the dog in the car, told your mother to get out of the car and told her to walk home.
I'll tell you right now, we should have like a day where we have to, we should actually do like a video with you, Mum, choose of like, you know, debating them while doing a tier list of favourite, or like, dogs that we breed on. Well, thanks for watching, guys.
Dogs that we what?
Well, like a tier list of like what you think is a good dog, or like what's your favourite dog. After at the bottom is like, you know, what's a crap dog, or what dog do you not like?
See, I really like dogs that you don't often like. Pit bulls, Staffordshires, Rottweilers, Dobermans, they're all great dogs. Alsatians, they're all great. I mean, all dogs are great as long as they're
no, I'm sorry, but I cannot stand Chihuahuas. Chihuahuas are just
even Chihuahuas are nice if they're brought up properly.
Yeah. Okay, thanks for watching, guys.